Alright, hey everybody. I'll just be walking through a flashing and test tutorial for your FlexAttack sensor. So first I'm just making a test directory and creating a virtual environment so that I can install FlexAttack, the Python package, into it. And the Python package supports a variety of tools, uh, mostly just flashing, but also it helps you find the port, and it also exposes a Python interface for reading from the sensor. So you can see here I've used the FlexAttack find port CLI command to find what port it is, and it works by just scanning all the serial ports, and then when you disconnect it, finding what is missing. So now that I have the port, I'm flashing the sensor. You can see the arguments here, they're also on the README in the repo. And once the flash is complete, I use the FlexAttack heat map example script that comes bundled with pyflexitac if you install it with the examples extra. And so here you can see when I touch the sensor, it shows up on this heat map. It's a little noisy right now because I'm testing this near an open window, and so it can be a little more sensitive to temperature fluctuations. But yeah, that is pyflexitac.